Okay.
All right, here we go again. Good
Yep.
morning.
Here we go
We
again.
are
Good
two ball
morning. Good morning.
gamers again.
Yep.
I am Jordan.
I'm Justin.
Are they downstairs?
Yep.
Okay. Hit him. On fire. Got one.
Oh shit!
Good. Got one. You got the other one?
Got one.
Good.
Yep, I got one. Oh, he got back up.
Okay. Who did?
Somebody got up.
Okay. I got this
No,
guy
no.
down here.
Did you heal? Did you heal?
Yeah, I healed.
Okay. Okay.
Checking. Yep, there's a guy way out there. He's out there over at the uh he's at the
Okay.
compound. Let's clean this up. There's a guy right here.
That was awesome, man. Oh, dude, I almost died. I walked in. I didn't see you there. But he was on fire. Pretty good.
Okay. There's one more body out there if we want to go loot it, or we can just get the hell out of here, because that guy is way over there still. Should we get out of here? Or just go fight
Yeah.
that one guy?
Okay. Could try and fight him.
Well, we're almost at
both.
prestige though.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right.
But that also
You're
means
right,
we're not
you're
going to
right.
be doing a lot of fighting later. Yeah, let's get out of here.
No, that's the first round.
Yeah, that was a good first round.
No,
Both got kills.
foundational.
Get the bounty. Played it smart.
Yep. It's the right call. Storm that house.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Ooh, you got a headshot.
Yeah.
Nice.
You know I did.
That's what we want to see. Treats. Don't mind if I
And
do.
get that done. Well, Brady comes out. And she's like, "No, you're not doing that because you're prone to accidents. We're just gonna have somebody come out." I was like, "Fine." She's like, "You're gonna blow up the house," and I was like, "Okay, whatever." There's instructions on the thing. It literally shows you how to do it. Like it's 5 instructions. It's literally
the house.
yeah. And she's like, absolutely not. I'm like, okay, sounds good. So anyway, oh, yep. Come to our right though. Or this way.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
Okay.
I see him. Got him. Got one. There's the second one.
Something just happened in that game. Okay. There's 2.
Yep.
Okay.
On the south.
Okay.
Oh, he's on the roof.
Okay.
Oh, dang it. Dang it.
Hit him. Where's his buddy? There's this me and this tank guy. We were rocking it, dude. He got 111 kills and 1 death because I was protecting the tank and I was like doing support. And then I had 108 kills with 6 deaths because I would just spawn back on. I had 144 assists.
That is wild.
Yeah. We were just mowing people down, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Dude,
He
wreck.
2,500 team wipes. His friend? 5,500 team wipes. Okay. Yes. Yep. Mm-hmm.
They probably thought we were bots.
There's no way we could be. One of them, they're both way
I
too high
know.
on prestige. They're probably thinking, how did we get in a match with those idiots? Right? Like, they're probably like, did they even try? Like, that was weird. I saw them shooting, but I don't think any bullet went close to us. Very tiny, you know, in the beginning. Right now it's an outbreak, right? They're figuring this out.
Yep.
But like, cases are very small until they mentioned the name Taco Bell, then it went nuts because people probably thought it was just because they ate Taco Bell. But in fact, now all these people are going, hey, you know what? It has been a lot worse than normal Taco Bell. And so I should probably let somebody know it might have this thing. And now it's skyrocketed, Justin. Because of Taco
The poop,
Bell. Yeah.
the two poop factor is a little high, so
Yeah. Like people were just like, I thought that
higher
was
than normal.
normal. Like,
Higher,
but
higher.
it was a little bit more than normal. So I should get checked out. Now look at now it's all over the place.
Uh, uh,
But then, but
oh my god.
the only way you can fix it, you have to take this pill and kill it. I was like, oh, perfect. Dude, I cannot tell you the size of this pill. I
Ow.
was like, you have to get this in some other way. I'm not going to be able to swallow
Uh,
that. And they're like, no, you have to swallow it. And I was like, no, you can put it in my asshole. Like, I don't care. Like, you can put it anywhere you want. I cannot swallow that thing. Like my throat is not big enough for that. Like, I just can't. And so finally, they're like, you're gonna have to try. So I tried, and I actually got it on first try. It was crazy. Like, I've never seen a pill that big in my life. Remember, experience wins. Only help your character, not your.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's one of these things for unlocks.
Nice. Oh, thank you.
Yep.
Oh, people are coming. People are coming. People
Okay.
are coming.
Which way?
It sounds like that way.
Northeast?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yes. Yeah, they're in this tent. Yeah, he just killed somebody.
Nice.
Hit him. Oh my god, what the? Who are these people one-shotting me, dude? Fucking tag that.
Oh my god.
That's not
Get hit. Oh.
Oh god, he's got thrown in there.
Oh. Damn it. What?
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, let's see.
Yeah, back.
Comes this way.
No, no, no.
Horse knew what's up. Okay, I'm gonna check as soon as I get right into here. Oh, yep, players on the other side. Yep. Fuck.
Right.
They're upstairs.
Yep.
I keep falling down this goddamn hole. Did you see him?
Yep. Got him. Oh, dang it. Damn.
You know?
Oh, I still think it was good. It was a good decision.
Yep. Was.
Oh, man.
Like,
No.
what the hell is happening? Okay.
I'm level 100 though. Let's do
Are
it,
you?
buddy.
Oh yeah, let's do it then, yeah. Okay.
We did it. We did it.
Alright, thank God. Did something right. Okay. Okay.
So not
now
only
let's...
does my dad have a bunch of stuff around his table, like
Yeah.
you saw, but the AC vent is like right above his desk,
Ah,
and so
you getting hit with cold air the whole time?
uh, yeah, I finally grabbed a robe. I was like, dude,
You
it is
grabbed a robe?
freezing. Yeah, that's the only thing I
Oh
had.
my God, Justin. I cannot imagine what you look like sitting in your dad's robe, playing this game on your 14-inch laptop on the dirtiest desk I've seen in quite a while. That...
It's quite a sight.
Jesus. The things we do for games, man, let me tell you. Just... Oh yeah, little knife.
do it for the gaming.
Yeah. You might want to do that. We're not gonna make
Yeah.
the other one. I don't know where the exit is. I mean,
Oh.
what? No way. Okay. Here. Oh. Someone on the right.
Yep, it's right there. It's right over there.
I see him. Yep. See the other guy? He's on the thing here. He's got a...
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Oh, God, dude.
Damn. Is that two different teams? Yeah, two teams.
I think so.
Yeah.
We got one monster kill. Nice.
Right there. Be ladies pissed.
Yep. Ready?
Oh, 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 oh.
Did you get somebody?
Yep.
I got him. I got him. Traded.
Nice. Nice one. He tried to samurai sword me.
He tried to bomb lance me. Did.
Oh, is that what he? Oh.
We're here! We're here! We're right here! Come get us! Wow.
Nice round. Nice round.
Yep. That's what we were looking for. Oh yeah, I think it's just on the loading screens. It's weird. Some kind of protein we don't know about that he does? Is he a scientist? Does he milk spiders? Does he want to tell people? Just no one's ever asked? I don't know. It's so cool.
As his job.
Yeah, maybe that is his job. He just sits and milks spiders. Probably fucking loves this job.
He's really into it. Really.
Yeah.
Really. Into
He's like, nothing gets me going like milking a spider, you know?
Especially first thing in the morning.
Yeah. Now he does it late at night because they're nocturnal.
We're on. Oh! Somebody launched a
Yep, nice,
arrow at
yep,
me.
Yep. Oh. He's right here. Right here. Come on. He's on fire. Well, I could not hit that guy. He's up!
Oh.
Got it.
Jesus.
Okay.
Nice. Oh, that was a bomb lance thing.
That was dumb. I think it was it bomb lance or was it the cuckoo choo thing?
Oh. Bomb lance, I think?
Oh, yeah, it is bomb launcher.
Launch bombs at us? Oh. Up to him.
Yep. Oh, yeah, they're in the doorway.
Oh. And they're across the back there.
Okay.
Gotta heal. They're
Nice
like
aim.
on the. Yeah. Oh. Another one. He's over. Tagged him. Gotta heal again.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Out.
Where's this guy go?
I think they're coming on the left.
Oh, dang it. Oh, he's got a scope.
Can't hit. Can't hit. Can't hit.
Yeah.
It's okay. At least we got one on that one.
I am in. He was a good shot. Right. Oh god.
That's painful. That's painful. That 100% could have been avoidable with this. The spiders here.
That guy was going after you.
It's okay.
You literally shot flame at you.
Alright, let's just get this thing.
Yeah. Oh, I missed. Oh my god.
That's why we bring two. Got it. Of course, because I did it. Okay.
Oh. What's that?
Yep, we got fire.
I heard the bullet ricochet.
Mm-hmm.
Is that at me? Very interesting.
Think it was coming from north?
I heard the bullet ricochet, so doesn't that mean it's close?
I think so.
Yeah. Might be east.
Okay.
That was like a sniper, like a
Mm-hmm.
silence. They might have a scope. Nice.
Sweet.
That is how we do it.
That's how we want it to be. That's perfect.
Yeah. Oh man, what are you guys doing today?
I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll be crusty all day. I'll tell you that for sure. I'm not taking no freezing body shower. Good guy.
Ooh, yeah, that could be rough. You do a dip in the hot tub in the morning.
It's still too hot, dude. Nah. No, thank you. Nope. Sorry.
Cool. Well, I think that's gonna do it for me.
Yep.
Yeah.
No worries,
But
man.
we'll do it up next weekend.
Okay. Perfect.
All right, dude. All right, have a
Peace.
good one. Later.